If you're in the mood for a dash of dinner drama and plenty of laughs, stay tuned. Over on Channel 4 next, it's the ever-popular Come Dine With Me. Who will serve up a feast and who'll face a recipe for disaster? Find out in just a moment. Next up here on More4, Kirsty and Phil are back to help hopeful house hunters find their dream home. Will they make the perfect match, or is compromise on the cards? It's location, 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 coming right up.
The threads of the tapestry speak of king and conqueror. But look more closely and you'll see a different story, not of feuding lords, but of the ordinary men of our shires. 1066, the battle for Middle-earth, continues Saturday at 10 on More4.
The more detail, the better the story. The new Canon EOS 550D with 18 megapixels and fully manual HD movie mode.
The wait is finally over. Mario and Yoshi are back. Explore challenging new worlds, discover all new power-ups, and take on even tougher enemies. Super Mario Galaxy 2, out 11th of June.
Oh, thank you. Oh, excuse me. Anna.
Dad, he's left me.
Where are you?
Halfway up the high street, and I couldn't drive for crying. I just wanted us to be happy. Is that too much?
No. Don't worry. I'll be with you very soon.
People depend on our network. Vodafone, power to you.
Would you like to take to the Sun Lounge on holiday?
My wife.
Me too.
Oh, I can read it like a book.
All these books are on the list because of their quality.
Find out the 8 must-have summer reads. The return of the TV Book Club, coming soon on More4.
Next here on More4, Kirsty and Phil are helping house hunters find their perfect homes in location, location, location. But first, we pause for a 2-minute silence in remembrance of those affected by the virus outbreak that changed the lives of millions 6 years ago. We invite you to join us in this moment of reflection and solidarity.